Remember that in case of sigma bond is much more stronger than pi bond. Sigma bond is stronger than pi bond. Now moving to the primary idea of hybridization. Hybridization, what is the meaning of hybridization? Actually, we have already learned, I think the concept is clear. Covalent bond, how covalent bond is happen? Whenever orbitals are overlap with each other, then only covalent bond is happen. Now the thing is, in case of hybridization, we have to think about that. That means whenever two atoms comes together to form a covalent bond, their orbitals also mixed up with each other. Hybridization. Now, whenever two atoms, say A and B, are coming with each, going to form a covalent bond with each other. Now, whenever they are coming with each other, coming closer to each other, what will happen? Its orbital will mixed up with B orbital. That means their orbital will mixed up and generate a new orbital. That process is called hybridization, and that orbital is called hybrid orbital. So after formation of hybrid orbital, then the molecule is formed. So it is in case of hybridization. That means if we can know the hybridization, we can find out the molecular structure, molecular shape, bond angle, many more things. So this is very important in case of finding out the shape of the molecule. Now, in case of hybridization, the participants are here. The participants. We have to remember here the participants are, first of all, sigma bond. That means whenever in between A and B sigma bond is there, then it will involve into the hybridization. Lone pair of electrons, three lone electron. These are the main three members which are the participants of hybridization. So it will be much more clear if we go whenever we enter into the finding the hybridization of a molecule. So one more thing, pi bond is absent over here. Whenever pi bond is happening between A and B, it will not involve into the hybridization. So this is the very important part. We have to remember that. So these are the participants. Depending on the participants, we can find out the hybridization of a particular molecule. It will be much more clear in the upcoming video. It will be much more clear to all of us. Now the list of the molecular shape. List of the molecular shape. These are the list I have written already. So it is much more important, very much important. We have to remember that. That means hybridization. How hybridization can be represented. So this is the way of representation of hybridization. Hybridization, as I told you, that means whenever two atoms are going to combine with each other through covalent bond, their orbital will mixed up. That means whenever S orbital, three p orbitals are mixed with each other, it forms the hybridization sp3. It is sp2. It is sp. It is sp3d. sp3d2, sp3d3. So these are the way of representing the hybridization. So S orbital is there, p orbital is also there. Here sp3 or different type of orbitals are there. So depending on the hybridization, what is the why we have to know the hybridization? Due to many various reasons. What is the first reason is molecular structure. Depending on the hybridization, we can find out the molecular structure. So sp3, it will be tetrahedral. In short form, it is TD, and its structure I have shown. This is tetrahedral. That means 3D shape is there. So if it is perfectly tetrahedral, it becomes the bond angle. It's the bond angle 109 degree and 28 minutes. It is the perfectly tetrahedral. Now it is the examples I have given. These are the examples I have given. Now sp2, it is trigonal planar. Trigonal planar means this trigonal planar. Mind that if you connect the atoms, it becomes a triangle. It becomes triangle. That means a triangle is there. That means one atom is here, one atom is here, one atom is here, another atom. That means over the plane. Now it is linear. Linear means one atom is there. That means one atom is there, one atom, one atom is there. So obviously bond angle will be 180 degree. So examples are given over here. sp3d, trigonal bipyramidal, in short form it will be TBP. If we can find out the structure, this is the base. That means it is triangle. That means one triangle is there and another bond is above the plane and another is below the plane. So it is trigonal bipyramid. So one pyramid above the plane and another pyramid is below the plane. So this is actually, that's why it is known as trigonal bipyramidal. Examples I also given. sp3d2. Whenever sp3d2, it is octahedral. Octahedral structure, that means the base will be square planar. Square planar. This is the base. And one above the that means this is the square planar. We can say one atom is here, one atom is here, one atom is there, another atom at the center, and one atom is attached above the plane and another is below the plane. So it is octahedral. SF6, IF7 are given examples are given over here. Now sp3d3, it is pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagon means the base would becomes a pentagon. The base become pentagon. Base become pentagon, and one above the plane, one bond is there. Below the plane, another bond is there. IF7, one example I have given. So this is the very important list. We have to remember that. So in the upcoming video, it will be much more clear to all of us how we can find out the hybridization as well as the shape of the molecule.